Welcome to our paint facility here at Carver Yachts. You can see here we have a very large downdraft spray booth where any products that need paint applied to them are done here in this facility. We have air-driven man lifts on the sides just to make access easier for the larger yachts for our painters to get around. The paint that we use on our hulls, it's a base coat, clear coat. So we'll spray on a primer, then we'll spray on a color, and then we'll spray on the clear coat with sanding applications between every coat. And then we also do a very fine, what we call a micro finish sand job, and then we polish it to a mirror finish after all the paint is applied here. Again, being a custom manufacturer here, we can spray just about any color on the face of the earth in either solid colors or metallic paints. So it's a pretty impressive facility.